Hi everyone, another paracord bracelet today. This one is called the Chesty Solomon. I think it looks good out of two contrasting colours. I've done black and white here, but you can use other contrasting colours. So watch through because this one is pretty easy to tie. To make this bracelet I'm using two pieces of paracord and each piece is 220 centimetres or around about 87 inches. And that will make a bracelet around about 20 centimetres long or around about 8 inches. And I'm going to start off by measuring out the length of the bracelet and also adding a bit to tie a button, so that'll come out to about 50 centimetres or 20 inches. And I just want to pinch it off there. And then I want to tie a cobra knot. And to tie the cobra knot, I'm going to take the left strand over those two core strands, the right strand over that one. I'm going to take this one behind and up through that left loop. And I can gently tighten these up without tightening the loops all the way. So I want to leave these loops open just a little bit. Then I'm going to take my right strand and take it up through that left loop. Just pull that all the way through. And then I'm going to take my left strand and take it down through that right loop and pull that all the way through. So now I can tighten these two up. And then I just want to take this top strand here, which is the white one, and then pull it out to form a loop. And I want that loop to be around about 1 centimetre or half an inch. And once we have this loop set, we can start our weaving. This pattern's pretty simple. It's just a series of half hitches. So I'm going to start here on the left, and I'm going to take that left strand over the two core strands, and I'm going to take it behind and up through that left loop. And then I'm going to do the same with the right hand strand. I'm going to take that over the two core strands and down through that left loop. Then I'm going to take the end and come up through the right loop. So you'll see it just makes two interlocking half hitches. And then we can tighten that up just by pulling each strand. So that's our first set of half hitches done, and the next set we want to alternate, so we come underneath this time. That first set went over the top, and this second set is going to start by coming in underneath the core strands. So I'm going to take this underneath and then around and down through that left loop. And again do the same with the other side. I'm going to come in underneath first and then down through the right loop. So you see we have the interlocking half hitches again, and we can tighten those two down. And to make this bracelet look nice, you want to get these hitches done relatively tightly. So we'll start the next set. The previous set went in underneath, so this one is going to start by coming in over the top, around the back, up through that left loop. And with the right strand, I want to go first down through that left loop and then up through the right loop. Again, we can pull this tight. So I'll do one more set, and the previous set went above, so we'll start this set of half hitches by coming in underneath on the left hand side here, and then around the front and down through the left loop. And the right strand will come in underneath, up through that left loop, and then down through the right loop. And again, we can tighten this up. So then we can continue that pattern all the way down the bracelet until we get to the desired length. So once we get down to the end here, I like to lock this off with a couple of cobra knots, and I'm going to do that by taking the left strand over the two core strands and then the right strand over that and behind and up through that left loop. And then alternating, I'm going to take the right strand over, then the left strand over, and then I'm going to take that one behind and through the right loop. Pull that tight, and then we can just cut off these excess pieces and singe them off with a lighter. So I'll start here with that right strand, just snip it off, singe the end, and then just press that into place with the edge of the lighter. And then you can repeat that with the left strand here, and then we can tie a button down the bottom. If you like the popular diamond knot as a button, I'll leave a link in the description or as an annotation for the tutorial on how to tie this one. I'm going to tie a simple toggle button, and I'm going to do that by taking my right hand strand up and underneath both of those core strands, and then I'm going to take my right hand strand and form a loop by coming in above. Then I'll take the right hand strand up through the right loop and the left strand down through the left loop, and I'm going to tighten it up just by pulling these two strands directly outwards. Then I can cut and singe these two ends here and the bracelet will be done. So here's the finished bracelet. This is the front side, and the back side's around about the same. If you could share the video around, that would be great, because that allows me to keep providing you guys with free tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.